Not bad, not bad at all. That's pretty cool. Welcome everybody, welcome to the shop. If you're new, we appreciate you coming, stopping by and checking us out. If you have been here before, welcome back. Today we're going to do an experiment. First of all, new camera, new microphone, so hopefully everything will jive okay. Let me know how the video quality and the sound quality is. So the experiment, I was doing as one does. I was perusing Amazon looking for something, and this kind of caught my eye because they always put up things you might like. This stuff is called, what is this called? Let's see if I can get this in the shot here. It's called Big Thumb. It's a wood burning paste. So evidently what you do is you put this on your wood and then you hit it with a heat gun and magically your picture appears. So let me bring you in and I'll show you what all comes in the kit, and then we'll do a small test on a piece of scrap wood. Okay, so when you get the box, it comes with a couple of small stencils. Got a rose and a giraffe, which is kind of cool. I'm assuming that they're calling this a squeegee. A little liner brush, but I mean it's a little brush. How to use it, and your bottle of stuff. It looks like orange goo. It doesn't say that I need to wear gloves, but I'm going to. The direction says to sand your wood, make sure it's smooth and clean. Well, this is a little piece of like 3 mil Baltic birch that I had cut off from another experiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this rose right here and we will see how that works. So I used to do glass etching a lot, and this is kind of similar to doing that, I think, in that you got to get your stencil on really, really good so nothing goes under it. So what I'm going to do is, I guess that might be what this is for. I have some bigger stencils, and if this works out, I'll probably do a separate video on one of the bigger stencils we got. If y'all want to see something bigger, leave a comment. That's just all wrapped around there. Alright, so as you can see, where are we at here? We've got the rose on there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put some gloves on. It doesn't say you need to, but just to be on the safe side. And I tell you, if this works, it's really convenient, but there's a chemical you can get and you just mix it with water and you can do the exact same thing, and you can buy empty marker pens and do the exact same thing. It's aluminum something or other, but I just seen this and thought it looked pretty cool. So, ooh, that's like Jello or something. Let's put us a little on here, and it says you should smooth it out with a card or whatever. That's probably what this squeegee's for, but I'm going to use this fancy brush that they've supplied here, and you can really tell on this particular wood because it's almost white anyway, so you can really see where it's at, so you can tell the difference in the wood and the wood with that stuff on it. So I'm going to take this squeegee and just kind of clean the excess off and put it back in the jar. So this stuff's not crazy expensive. I think this jar was like $6 or $7, and it seems like it'll do quite a bit. I mean, because you just need a real thin layer according to the videos I've seen on this. And I'll take and wash this off after we're done. It does say to make sure that this is away from your heat source when you start doing your burn. So I'm going to put all this back in the box, because if it don't work, I'll send it back. But I have no doubt that it'll work. All right, so it says to wipe off the excess with a paper towel. So I'm doing that. And it looks like there's a little bit coming off. And then it says to peel your stencil off. So I'm going to bring you in real close and we're going to watch this up close. Okay, I'm going to start off on low heat here and let's see how it goes. It's starting. Cool. All right. I will leave a link in the description. I'm not sponsored. This is pretty cool. You can use your own stencils. Just get you some spray adhesive and tack the back of it up and put it on your wood, and make sure all the edges are real tight to the wood. Put it on, wipe it off, and wow, that's really cool. So if you want to see us do a bigger one, I think I've got some mandala stencils that I want to try. But if you want to see a video on that, leave a comment down below, and we will see you in the next video. Hope y'all have a great week. Like and subscribe, share this with others.